And next, we will proceed with the JCM financing program and case example from Mr. Hiroki Ito, the manager of project development section from MOEJ Energy Solutions Thailand, please.
ขอเรียนเชิญค่ะ
Sawadee Krap. I'm Energy Solutions in Thailand, and I'm in charge of business and project development of NSET. And first of all, I'd like to express sincere gratitude to TGO and GEC and Thai and Japanese government. And I'm really honored to be here to share our challenge and a new trial in Thai market. So let me start our presentation. So as my previous presenter introduced our project roughly, that our project is introduction of biomass power plant in chemical factories in Rayong area in Thailand. And on the top of right-hand side is a rough chart of our project, and we are going to utilize wood chip from Thailand mainly, and we are going to use it and put that wood chip into the furnace and burn it and get thermal heat and convert that heat to steam and power and supply that to chemical factories. And we are going to reduce carbon emissions around 48 to 50,000 tons per CO2 yearly, following to JCM calculation criteria. So this is rough information of our project. But before going to focus on our project, let us introduce our company a little bit. So NSET is a JV company of Nippon Steel Engineering and Osaka Gas, so which is 70% and 30%. And our main business is conducting industrial solution, such as digital transformation and carbon neutral, green transformation, factory development, and energy saving in Thailand. So maybe JCM process is also included to our solution. So since the process of JCM is a little bit complicated and takes a long time, so if you have some concerns about it, so we are the option to support your company to get JCM subsidy to work together as well. Then our mother companies, so one of Nippon Steel Engineering is a leading company of waste-to-energy power plant and steel plant and gas cogeneration engineering in Japan. And Osaka Gas is also leading company of energy supply business, natural gas, power, etc., and develop of renewable energy power plants such as biomass in Japan. So we utilize those companies' technical knowledge and conduct carbon neutral business in Thailand and to contribute to carbon neutralization in Thailand. So roughly, this is our project, mainly gas cogeneration power plant in Thailand. Our customer is mainly Japanese client, which is Honda, Yokohama, etc. And we have our gas cogeneration power plant around mainly near Rayong province, since there are many factories and also other areas. And NSET is a company to develop power plant and operate our power plant itself. But we also have EPC companies as our group companies, which is called as TNS. TNS was established in 1987, and which mainly conducted for offshore platform business for PTT or other companies in Thailand. And actually, that was the #1 wellhead platform company, and that company also utilized their knowledge to conduct onshore EPC business to support NSET as well. So currently, NSET and TNS work together, and we have a one-stop energy solution service in Thailand. And this is the information of NSE's technical knowledge, part of technical knowledge. So I focused on power plant mainly, since today's presentation is for biomass power plant. So we have offshore wind farm experience and geothermal factory experience and waste-to-energy power plant, more than 50 in Japan, and also biomass power plant generation, which is more than 75 megawatt. Then for this project, which we are doing this year, is we utilize right-hand side knowledge for this project from Japan to Thailand. And Osaka Gas also has a variety of knowledge, especially natural gas power plant and coal power plant and also biomass power plant, which is more than 75 megawatt. Then Osaka Gas also has intention to come to Thailand or other Southeast Asian countries, so we work together to mix both of our knowledge and to make our energy solution business in Thailand more better than better. So let me start introduction of our business, which is selected JCM subsidy this year. So this is a rough picture of our business. So there are 3 factories, as you can see the picture, and one of the factories we are going to lease their area and develop our power plant. Then we are going to invest our power plant and supply electricity to 3 companies and steam to 1 company. Then this means clients can outsource everything to operate power plant and also carbon reduction or investment, etc., to NSET. And NSET is going to be their partner to conduct power plant business in spite of them. And they can enjoy 100% of carbon reduction benefit on this project. Then for main part of power plant, of course, we have to conduct EPC work in our scope of work. So this part, TNS, as I mentioned before, will do. And for funding, we are going to lend money from financial company, but JCM support us to do this. So technically, client can enjoy the benefit of JCM indirectly utilizing NSET. So this is one of our scheme. And for fuel, NSET is going to procure fuel from fuel suppliers, which is wood chips for mainly, and for emergency case, we are going to utilize PKS or sugarcane briquette or etc. So this is our business scheme. So regarding the biomass project, maybe everyone is curious about what is the wood chip. So this is a wood chip. So we source wood chip from Rayon area mainly, and if there is a shortage of the wood chip in Rayon area, we are going to procure wood chips mainly southern part of Thailand, where there are much amount of rubber trees. Then this is a project structure deeply. So, and today I'd like to explain about the flow of subsidy focusing on. So this is the end user of client, and we are going to conclude a contract for energy supply and also land lease contract. Then NSET is going to invest our money to conduct EPC business, APC of biomass power plant with TNS. Then since for JCM, we need to have main applicant in Japan. So for that part, Nippon Steel Engineering, our mother company, will do in Japan. Then they apply to application for JCM subsidy to GEC, and we get the JCM from Ministry of Environment in Japan. And that subsidy is coming through to GEC to NSE, and that money is transferring to NSET. So then NSET is utilizing that subsidy for facilities, which is for JCM. So this is a business scheme. But of course, there are also some part which is not for subsidy as well. So that money, that part, NSET shall get financed by ourselves and invest it by ourselves. Then for operation side, we are going to utilize fuel suppliers, ash treatments, and other vendors for conducting the stable operation of our power plant. So this is a project structure. So Then I'd like to share our important point for the development and implementation of this project. Then development is based on our experience, and implementation is like planning basis. So for development phase, there was many difficulties and variety. They are variety, but I would like to share the 2 points. So first of all, the schedule arrangement was really difficult for conducting this project, since we have to like arrange our schedule based on 2 government schedule. Let me share. So first of all, JCM schedule has a limit of the project period, usually 3 years. And also the necessary licenses for power plant, especially biomass in Thailand, are like various and takes long time. Then owner shall arrange the schedule considering the license schedule in Thailand and JCM schedule in Japan, including COP or IE report and after public hearing as well. So that was one point we considered and took time to arrange this project. And also, like fuel sourcing is really important as well. So like partnership development, especially for fuel procurement, was necessary. Especially our project years is around 20 years. So we sought Thai company partner, and also like for partnership, like not only negotiation but also intimate communication was quite important. So it was take time to discuss with each companies, not like vendor but like as partner. Then for the implementation phase, so both points are equally important point for both projects. So for schedule, we should comply with the schedule which we have planned for the development phase. So currently we are doing public hearing activity also, but we should have intimate communication with the community and the government to follow this schedule and make to realize our schedule. And also the second is after operation, also actually communication is quite important to source our wood chips, not only like partners but also other like suppliers from wood chip factories. Then we are going to conduct like proactive fuel sourcing. So this is not just only for like searching the wood chip factory, but also we are engineering company, so we are going to conduct some tests that we can expand the varieties of our fuel to utilize to be utilized as a fuel, such as like rice husk or sugarcane leaves can be like converted to briquette, and we are going to study how to utilize that, or maybe other biomass fuels. Then we can contribute to local economies, or that actually can enhance our knowledge to conduct biomass business in the future. And we believe that knowledge can contribute to Thailand as well. And the second part is also, this is explanation that what we are going to operate stably for our biomass power plant in Thailand. So for stable operation is necessary, and as I shared, we have the knowledge of variety of operating waste-to-energy power plant in Japan. Then we have the platform with machine learning and AI in Japan, and we are going to utilize that platform to Thailand to achieve more stable operation. So we have two main systems for here. So operation analysis system and knowledge-based system. The operation analysis system is the actual system that we keep watching the operations operation situation with number of not only just number, but temperature, vibration, etc. So there are many facilities to gauge those varieties, and our system is going to analyze those numbers and have the correlation and analyze that whether that have an abnormal vibration or not or something, and then we can find out that, oh, this can be there can be like trouble in the future or not. Then before the big trouble, we can conduct our maintenance activity in this system. Then also there is knowledge-based system. So the problems or issues what happen in the site can be like similar to like every power plant. And so we can expect what happened, or we can know what is like excellent procedure to mitigate that issue or problem. So then for that, of course, we have to share those knowledge overall the power plant and including every operators. So, and actually it's quite difficult to share those knowledge because people will resign and like older people will stop working for the company, etc. And there is that problem in Japan as well. So we have the database system, and we are keep developing this system that like every operators or related people can search on the system and know what was like bad procedure or what is operational excellence, and we will share those excellence to our site and keep developing our operation. And we will utilize this operation from waste to energy power plant to this new biomass power plant as well. So this is a final explanation of our project. So points of our biomass energy facilities. So there are 3 points. Firstly, high stability. So what I mentioned, we are going to utilize WT and biomass engineering knowledge, and that will make our plant has high stable. And also with Thailand. So working with Thai facility makers and fuel procurement companies, etc. And we will do business, not only our part, but also we will cooperate together with Thai companies and share our knowledge and do our business together in Thailand. And also finally, future improvement. And as I also read Thai government's future plan for renewable energy, so there is some challenging plan such as carbon capture, etc. And we have the technology of carbon capture as well. So we will also keep checking and improving our power plant. And in the future, we may add those carbon capture as well to contribute Thai carbon neutral plan or other development plan as well. So the final part is just for reference, but we have a carbon capture system like this, and this is actually operated commercially. So we not just operate our power plant which is selected, but we keep improving and keep contributing to Thailand. So this is the end of presentation. So thank you for your attention.